Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Molina Healthcare Benefits Card, online guide step by step clearly. To activate your Molina Healthcare Benefits Card, start by visiting the official Molina Healthcare website. Look for the member portal link on the home page. Click on the link to be redirected to the login page. If you are a new user, click on the register option to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your member ID, personal details, and email address. Choose a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Once you've completed the form, click on the Submit button. Check your email for a confirmation link from Molina Healthcare. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the member portal login page and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Benefits section. Locate the option to activate your benefits card. Click on the Activate Card button. Enter the card number from your Molina Healthcare Benefits Card. Confirm any additional information requested, such as your date of birth or social security number. Review your information to ensure it is accurate. Submit your activation request. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen indicate. If you encounter any issues during the process, access the help section for assistance. You can also contact Molina Healthcare's customer service for further support. Your benefits card is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.